Hi students, my name is Shahzad. So we are discussing IOQM practice problems. To discuss question number 6. How many positive integers less than 500 exactly 15 positive integer factors? So we have to find the number of positive integers less than 500 exactly 15. We have to get exactly 15 as an answer. That should be a positive integers. Generally, we know on here. Suppose a number n has n prime factors. A number has n prime factors. So what we can write? So n is equal to p1 power a1 into p2 power a2 into and so on pk into ak. If a number n has n prime factors. So these are the n prime factors. A number n has a n prime factors means we can write that p1 power a1, p2 power a so on, pk power ak. Now what are the divisors? What are divisors of this n here? So what device done here? So we can write that a1 plus 1, a2 plus 1 and so on ak plus 1. These are the divisors or factors of given number. I hope you understand here. But according to question, if you multiply these factors, you have to get answer 15. You have to get answer nana here 15. If you multiply these factors, we get answer is 15. Now tell me that when we get the answer 15, we multiply two numbers. Suppose if you multiply none here, 1 into 15 is answer is 15. 2 into we can write 3 into 5 as a 15 or 5 into 3 as a 15. These three cases, right, we get answer is 15 as a answer, right? Now let us take none here. 15 means what we can write here? 14 plus 1. 15 means we can write as a 14 plus 1 because we will write a1 plus 1, a2 plus 1 all are the factors. 14 plus 1, that means p1 power 14, p1 power 14. So p1 power 14, if you take here p as a prime number, we have to p none here prime numbers, p1, p2 up so on pk all are prime numbers. Let us take one small prime number 2. If you take here 2 none here in place of p, 2 power 14, the answer must be less than 500. But we know that 2 power 14 is not less than 500. So this case is not applicable. This case is not applicable. We have to get answer none here less than 500. Let us come to second case. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 5 means what we can write? 2 plus 1 into 4 plus 1. 2 plus 1 into 4 plus 1. So let us take here. We can write this as p1 power 2 into p2 power 4. p1 power 2 into p2 power 4. Or p1, p2 are prime numbers. Let us take the prime numbers. If you consider the prime numbers 2 and 3, if substitute the values done here, in place of p1 I am writing 2 here, so 2 square. In place of p2 I am taking 3 here, 3 power 4. So what we get answer? 4 into 3 power 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 4, total is 81. If you multiply this value, what we get? 4 ones 4, 4 8s are 34, 324. So it is less than 500. So we can consider that. Let's suppose in place of p1 let us take 3, in place of p2 as a 2. Let interchange the values because both are prime numbers, right? That means 3 square into 2 power 4. 3 square is 9, 2 power 4 is 16. So what we get answer? 3 square 9 none here, 2 power 4 is 16. Let us multiply. 9 6 are 54. 9 ones 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 144. So this is also less than 500. So it is also applicable. Okay. let us take not only 2 and 3, we can take any prime number. We can take any prime number, but the answer must be less than 500. Let's suppose if we consider that in place of 3 nana, if we take 5, because 5 also a prime number, right? Here 2 power 4. So what we get, 5 square is 25, 2 power 4 is 16. So what we get answer, 25 16s. 25 16s 400. So this is also possible. Once again listen on here. P1, P2 are a prime numbers. We have substitute the prime numbers either 2, 3, 5, 7. You can take any prime numbers. But if you multiply these answers, we have to get less than 500. That only possible conditions here. So let us come to third case done here. In third case, 5 into 3. So 5 into 3 can be written as 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. That means we have to write P1 power 4 into 2, that is a P2 power 2. P1 power 4 into P2 power 2, where P1, P2 are prime numbers. Let us take P1 as a 2, P2 as a 3. So 2 power 4 into 3 square. So 2 power 4 is 16, 3 square is 9. So again what we can answer, 144. This is already completed the case. I hope you understand on here. Let us take here P1 as a 3, 3 power 4, P2 as a 2, 2 square. So 81 into 4, 81 4s, 324. This is also completed. So instead of these prime numbers, we take any other prime numbers, their answer must be not exactly less than 500. We get more than 500. So what are the possible answers now here? 324, 144 and 400. So we got number of positive integers are asking that. What are the positive count on here? Count is a 3. So 3 cases are possible. We get answers 324, 144, 400. So answer is 3 is the answer. Dear students, still if any doubt in the question, let me raise your doubt in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and give one like to this video.